We've just arrived in Athens. Our ferry was a little bit delayed, and then we battled the famous Athens traffic and narrow streets to get to our Airbnb. Found that, managed to find some parking, which was very lucky. And we've just had dinner. Kids and Anna are chilling at the apartment. I'm just going for a quick walk to find this nearest supermarket and figure out the train system so we can explore the city over the next 2 days. Our first excursion as a family out into Athens. There's our first glimpse of the acropolis. Bit of craziness to get in.
Over there.
Standing on the top of Areopagus Hill, which is one of the best views of the acropolis. Looks awfully busy up there, and I don't envy their walk up in this heat. It's supposed to be 29 degrees today. Devin's found a spot for lunch. This episode is sponsored by Opioconomomedas Caesar salad. Here we are in our wonderful lunch spot with a view. How are you liking Athens so far? Looking forward to lunch? Your Opioconomomedas Caesar salad? Go, see if you can play it this fast now, Devs.
It's gonna get faster. Stop.
Gonna make a wish?
Yeah, that didn't work. Oh, that worked.
It's Hadrian's library. What do you think of the octopus? Appetizing?
Not right now, no.
Paying a visit to the War Museum in Athens. What can you see, buddy?
War.
Battle scene. War.
Shoulder pads.
There's a whole lot of ceremonial pistols. This one was donated by Slobodan Milosevic. See those little mortars? Now we're on the hunt for turtles or tortoises in this park. That was quick. We found one. Is he taking any of your fast food?
No. Wait, how about
Leaf on the run?
this one's good?
There's a bigger one here. Nope, you scared him.
You want it? You got it in your mouth.
Here we were fossicking around in the bush to find one or two tortoises. Look at this. That's crazy.
He's trying to get up. Oh, no.
Got a bird's eye view of the turtles. Made it to the Arch of Hadrian. Olympian over there. So is this actually the first McDonald's we've been to since Bulgaria? I think it is, isn't it? We've been to plenty of knockoffs on the way. Halfway between Athens and Meteora. We've just stopped at a beach called Trigana Beach for some lunch. How's the trip going for you guys?
Good.
Done your schoolwork? We arrived in Meteora. We're here to see some monasteries that are built on cliff tops. There's one just up here actually, but there's quite a few more further over that way. But first we'll gotta figure out how to get into our Airbnb. We're off to the Lidl to get some items for baking and some snacks for tomorrow, but probably one of the best situated Lidls that I've seen.
Kind of gross.
Another stop on our wildlife tour of Europe. A giant caterpillar. Gone for a lovely after dinner stroll. Taking a bit of a look just at the foothills of this mountain right next to where we're staying. Well, we got up fairly early. We've driven up to the biggest one, which is not this one in front of me. That's another one I can see, but I'm walking halfway up to the biggest one. It's already very busy. Lots of cars parked all the way down the road. There's a massive line to get in, but this will be the only one we go inside. This is the one we're going in. You can see Anna and the kids waving just on the stairs down there. So go and find them. Shouldn't take too long for the line to get through. It's just that the doors haven't opened yet. Once they do, I'm sure we'll be in pretty quickly. That's how the kids want to travel. The old carpenter's shop. They still make wine here. Devon's headed straight for the old kitchen. See what he can rustle up. Reckon you can do some baking in here? No. They started building these from the 13th century. Obviously they've been worked on over the years. And this is the view. Wow.
Yeah. You slide this a little bit way underneath.
Snacks with a view. So those stairs were only built in the 1920s. Before that, they just used big wooden ladders to get up to these monasteries. Car park with a view. A worried mum, 2 climbing kids, a small cliff, and an amazing view.
Okay, let's go down. And then climb back up. Yeah. Let's go down the floor. I tried down the fun way.
Walking to another viewpoint which overlooks the entire valley and all the monasteries from up above. We're going to have some lunch here. We made it. Not quite the view we were hoping for. There's a few trees in the way. Oh well, it's a nice walk. Sort of feels a little bit alpine here. There's still some snow on the mountains. We're about to head out to watch the sunset over Meteora, but we found some caves on the way. We're going to go check those out first. There we go. Looks like there's been some fires in here. A bit black on the roof.
Yeah. Most likely right here because...
Stunning view again.
Oh, look. Look at... This is good. Oh!
Oh wow. So there's all sorts of little structures in the cliffside. There's one just there, another one down there, and then looking this way you can't quite see it, but there's...
I marked it.
Oh yeah, there we go. Something built into the side there. Found our spot. This is the goated spot, huh, Devs?
Yeah.
Our secret spot.
Clouds all over there. Look how good it is. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good one. Under the tree. Just if you want the tree. If you want to.
That's the monastery of the Holy Trinity. That's the one that was used in James Bond. So it's a very different side of Greece that we've seen on this trip. It dropped to about 14 degrees, lots of tunnels, very green, lots of mountains. Now we're heading to the Adriatic coast, and we're all very excited because we're about to see our cousins and grandparents, because we haven't seen anyone we've known for at least a couple of months. So you guys pretty excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we are. Hello. Hi. Hamburger. Hi. Family's back together again. We're walking down to the beach. Here we are. This is going to be our convoy for the next, well, few months, I suppose.
I saw a girl, probably about 14 at the...
Right.
Yeah.
Greek rice. Greek rice.
Perfect circular rock. That's a keeper. First trip in convoy, we're heading into town from where we're staying, but first stop is at an Orthodox church, and then a castle, and then Parga town. This olive tree's over 1,000 years old. They've turned it into a bit of a shrine. So the castle was constructed by Ali Pasha to try and force the surrender of Parga town, which is just down there, because that was still held by the Venetians at that stage, about 300 years ago.
I'm so
I'm scared.
I'm very excited about the caterpillars.
Oh, and then they're all behind.
Different way of travelling. Got the big tribe coming through now. It's a Venetian fort there. Lots of boats going over to Paxos and Corfu. How's your helicopter ride? Right, we're on the mainland. This is the first time we're going to walk to a Greek island. And they're off. Spotted some goats.
Oh my goodness, you scared me. It's Goat Man.
It's Goat Man. Oh, he's after food. I don't know what's more interesting, the goat or what those people are doing in the background. Going into one of our favourite spots, the Lidl. We're about to cross over into North Macedonia, which is just over by those mountains there. So just chilling out, stocking up before we go. Just about to cross the border into North Macedonia.